Here I've got myPhone Fan 8 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Go to audio profiles then and click on the general. Now select edit and here you'll notice ringtone. So select ringtone and let me show you all the possible ringtones that you can apply. Let me just volume it up because we are silenced. So just one more time. Let's start with acoustic. And then just pick the one that you like the most, so let me choose optional. Then click on OK, and as you can see it has been changed. So this is it, this is how you can change ringtone on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.